Good afternoon, everyone. This presentation will address autism diagnostics. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 1 in 54 people have autism, or at least some form of autism. And the numbers are still rising. We can't stop it, we can't prevent it. The only thing we can do about it is diagnose it early enough and start psychological treatment. The problem is it can be diagnosed only by a psychological assessment of the child's behavior. But if the child is 1, 2, or 3 years old, this typical behavior, the autistic behavior, does not always have to be present in a child. I work at the Academic Research Center for Autism, and according to our statistics, almost 10% of cases remain undiagnosed before the age of 5. And these children don't get proper help early enough. If a child doesn't get a behavioral therapy early enough, it faces more difficulties in life than a child that was successfully diagnosed at the first attempt. So, what can we do about it? Well, we have proof that fingerprints of an autistic person differ from the fingerprints of a neurotypical person. We found that autistic people have more ulnar loops, they have less whorls, and they have more dentate arches. While the dentate arc occurred only in autistic people, not in neurotypical people. Based on this, we can already predict the probability with which a person is at risk of having autism or developing autism. This can easily turn into a diagnostic tool. Imagine, it takes only your mobile device, like your phone, which has a camera. All you need to do is take a picture of each of your fingers, then answer some questions regarding your gender and background, and that's it. Within seconds, the neuronal network within the mobile application compares your biological data with a reference database and gives you a risk assessment. There is no doubt that this is reliable because fingerprints don't change throughout life. It is quick, it is accessible, it can be applied before any autistic behavior occurs, and it is definitely user-friendly. After this, you still should go for a psychological assessment, but now, as a parent of a child, you would probably go with much more confidence. Imagine what a difference this would make if 2% of the world's population could get a risk assessment just by taking a finger selfie. Thank you very much.